Coughing to oblivion. That is how tokes treat me, with teary eyes, spit all over the screen. Sometimes with a beer, like many days. Continue rituals with the idea of a broader voice when lungs are blacker. Riding a skateboard taught me freedom. Same time started near reading autobiography of Malcolm X. Learning the flow to stand for righteous, non-ignorant delivery. Have a pizza pie with a big smile. Cheddar melting mages, more clocks counting pages. Diseases messing faces on docks, running shields, each ship landing port. Spitting words like playing for all the gods, running wild, making people smile when among their kind. A tree on Christmas with gold coins from a medieval video game I got trapped. The spell living a myth with believers of his spirit, emailed and jolted from musical sounds, grab each chance. An abstract wind grasps the whispering loud thoughts on pages. Laced belief of I'm me and that's a tree like you and all the jazz pours. Old records in a million crates. From a grandpa called Gump. Always bright smiles for the best of laughter. Knowing the sense that all matters, challenged by losing a wife. With 8 kids for himself and family among many friends gathered on holidays. Never forget the chance to say hello. More times than 65, I like to say hi.